Let's talk all things energetic boundaries today. So, for a lot of us, we go on the journey to aligning our 3D human boundaries first as we overcome things like toxic empathy and people pleasing and stepping into our magic and power and doing the healing. But the next stage that I see is mirroring the boundaries that we have in the 3D in the 5D and above. In the energy, we need to also have the energetic boundaries as we would in the physical. And this is, of course, with that combination of inner work and shadow work, because if we are not moving towards the space that we want to be in, and something is holding us back, something is blocking us, or we're holding ourselves back, then of course we need to do the inner work. But in alignment with doing the inner work, we also need to have these energetic boundaries. And this combination of inner work and energetic boundaries means we close the original wounds that the energies are attaching onto. And it also means that we step fully and embody that version of ourselves, that future version of ourselves that is like totally unfuckwithable. And this has been a real journey for me, doing that inner work and going, okay, that future version of me, like when I fully step into my power and claim boldly what it is that I want and what I'm available for, what does that mean? So this is what this means, like in simple terms, like who is that version of me that I'm working towards, and what is it that she says yes and no to, and start saying yes and no to those things now. So for a time in my life, this meant saying no to a lot. I was literally felt like I was like, no, 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 no. But closing down all those things that were no longer in alignment for me has opened up this massive channel for me to receive what is in alignment for me. Literally where I am recording this video today, this has opened up to me through closing down all those other channels by stepping into and embodying what I am available for. And that is the energetic boundary. It's like, this is what I'm available for. This is where like that stream is headed, that river is headed. How do I put those banks of the river up to things that I am not available for, that are my energetic boundaries, so I can head towards that place that the river is heading towards. And if you'd like to know more on this, you can join me on my free workshop, the Aligned Abundance Activator, where we're going to connect to your highest timeline, your vision, and look at what might be holding you back from that, as well as your soul aligned work that you are here to do on this planet. You are here to say yes to. So the link is in my bio. If you have any questions, pop them in comments. And what are you available for today? What energetic boundaries could you set today? Lots of love.